Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. So all you have to do for that is open Start menu, then go to Settings, then open Personalization Settings, then go to Background. Now here you can choose one of the four options for your background, either a picture from your gallery or one of the default pictures. You can select any picture that you like and set it as your background, or you can also go into your pictures folder and pick something from here. The second option is solid color, and you can pick basically just any color to be your wallpaper. Here are some basic ones, but here we also have custom colors. The third option is Slideshow, and it's basically just a change in wallpaper. A wallpaper that one wallpaper is replacing another one with each 30 minutes, but we can also change it to 1 minute, up from 1 minute to 1 day. We can choose an album for a slideshow. We can shuffle the picture order in the folder. We can let slideshow run even if the battery even if the laptop runs on battery power, and we can choose both for photos and slideshows. We can choose to feed to for your desktop image. So right now it's fill, but if I choose fit, now as you can see we have some empty space on the sides, and we can replace this empty space with any color that you like. The same goes for tile, or excuse me, for centered wallpaper, and for span wallpaper, as I thought, but probably not on this PC. Okay, so let's go back to fill. And the last option of the wallpaper is Windows Spotlight, and it's basically a random image which changes every once in a while, presented to you by Microsoft, so you don't even have to search for anything. Basically each day you'll have a fresh new wallpaper for your PC by choosing this option. And basically these are all the options that you have. So if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.